In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate. We will focus on simple text translation so you can go from not knowing a word to understanding full sentences in just a few taps. Now open Google Translate on your device. When the app loads, you should see two language boxes at the top and a large empty space below for typing. If you do not see a keyboard yet, that is fine. It will appear once you start entering text. At the bottom, there are other options like camera and conversation, but we will stay on the text screen for now. Once the app is open, tap the language on the left. This left language is the one your original text is written in. After you tap it, a list of languages appears, usually with your recent languages at the top. If you scroll, you will see many more options arranged alphabetically. Select the language you are translating from. For example, choose English if your word or sentence is in English. When you tap a language, the list closes and the new choice appears in the left box. A common beginner mistake here is choosing the wrong starting language, which can give strange translations, so it is worth a quick glance to confirm it matches your original text. Next, tap the language on the right. This is the language you want to see the translation in. Again, you will see the language list with your most used options at the top. If you are not sure where a language is, scroll slowly and watch the letters on the side as a guide. Select the language you are translating to. After you tap it, the language name appears in the right box, and you are returned to the main screen. At this point, both language boxes at the top should show exactly the pair you need, from on the left and to on the right. Google Translate remembers these choices for the next time you open the app, which saves time later. With the languages ready, type a word, phrase, or sentence in the large text area below the boxes. As soon as you start typing, your keyboard appears and Google Translate often begins suggesting a translation in real time. Using full sentences gives the app more context, which usually produces more natural-sounding results. After a moment, read the translation that appears on the right side of the screen. The original text stays on the left, and the translated text lines up next to it. If you change a word in your original sentence, you will see the translation update almost instantly without doing anything else. This live update helps you experiment with slightly different wording until it reads the way you want. Finally, tap Listen to hear it aloud. The button looks like a small speaker right under the translated text. When you tap it, you will hear the translation spoken in the selected language, which helps with pronunciation and rhythm. You can tap Listen again to replay, and many languages work even when you are offline if you previously downloaded them. You have now learned how to set your languages, type text, read the result, and listen to the pronunciation in Google Translate. So if this helped you make sense of a new language, a quick thumbs up would help others find it. And feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs like this.